Hey guys, as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a very simple brow tutorial. I've had a lot of people ask me how I do my brows and how I get them to look the way they are. So today we're just going to go ahead and do that. It's going to be really short, super simple video. So go ahead and stick around and we'll get started. As usual, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you know when all of my new videos come out. And as usual, if you don't like it, then maybe something else I post will be for you. Alright, so before we get started, I literally just dyed my roots because I noticed in my last video you could see my roots and it looked terrible. So I thought I needed to fix it. Alright, and you can see it on my hands. I literally just dyed my hair. So, right now, last night I tweezed my eyebrows. This is what my natural eyebrows look like. I have naturally strawberry blonde hair, so my eyebrows are a little bit dark. So what I do is I use the e.l.f. lock-on liner in espresso. And what I'm going to start with is I'm just going to brush through my brows with my spoolie. And I make sure I brush all the hairs upwards. If you hear any noises, my cat Slow-Mo is in here watching me do my video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I like to start towards more of the middle and then work outwards towards my tail. And I'm doing it on a little angled brush. And when I do my brows, I do short little strokes instead of long, flowy strokes because I think the short strokes give it more of a hair-like texture. And I work more towards the front. Go at a little angle so I can fill in the rest of the brow. And since the hairs towards my front of my brow are pretty sparse, I like to flip my brush like that and go upwards to give it little hair-like. Alright, and then I take my spoolie and I brush it all downwards. Like that, and then get a little bit more product on your brush. And then this time I work from the front out towards my ends. And I just follow my natural brow. For a while there after Halloween, if you look on my Instagram, I completely shaved off the tail end of my brows. Because I wanted to give myself more straight brows than my natural arch. And now they finally just all grew back in. Just going back in and perfecting any lines. And then brush it all out with your spoolie. Make sure you look, see if you've missed any spots. Especially when I brush through it with my spoolie, I tend to get little bald spots in there where the pomade doesn't want to stick. Alright, and And then I just use a foundation brush or a concealer brush, and I just clean up the bottom. And the top. Alright, and that's one brow done. Comparison, this is a lot thicker and darker than this one is, and it has a lot more definition into it. If you wanted a more natural brow, you could probably use a brow pencil instead of a pomade like I do, but I love this dark, dramatic, just thick, precise brow. We'll go ahead and do the other side. It's a lot thicker than the other one. That's okay, as we have our concealer brush for. Eyebrow pomade down there, so that's why a little bit of go through with our concealer. And just clean that up. And there we go. Super simple, super fast, thick, dramatic brows. And as you can see, I wear a lot of bright, bold eyeshadow. Today I'm wearing My Pretty Zombies eyeshadow in Nude Brisket. And I recently posted a video reviewing the Becca Aqualuminous foundation, and that's what I'm wearing today. It looks super nice. I really like it. I think it makes my skin look super nice. And I'm also wearing a My Pretty Zombie contour in Dead by Dawn, and my highlight is Swallow Your Soul by My Pretty Zombie, which Evil Dead themed contour and highlight. Seriously, you had my heart at the name. Come on, it was fantastic. All right, so I really think that's about it. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know whenever I have new videos up. I try to post videos every single Wednesday. And if you want to see when my videos are going to go up, if you don't hit the bell, you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. My Instagram handle is SmallisHSatan, and my Twitter handle is SpoopyMama. Thanks guys!